the Wizzy and the dirty come long just like man's woolly. The Wizzy and the dirty come long just like man's woolly.
What the
I need you in my life, in my life. Please, babe, don't go switch his eyes, switch his eyes.
Welcome guys, Scream Boss back again with another reaction video. Today we're gonna check out UK Drill. What the fuck bars? Isn't it? Somebody request this. I don't know what this is about. This is a music video, freestyle or what. So we're gonna check it out and see what's what. Begin now. UK Drill inside.
What you gonna do when a crash is summoned? What's that smell in the air? Pull it in gear and let's go hunting. That week we gave them 100.
Yo, me not to lie. I actually love them type of rhythm here, bro. Like they tum 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 tum. One of these bars made man pause the track and delete the YouTube app. Yo, at me I read the thing I talk about, love you the rhythm, bro. I see what I go and feel. I see me delete my app.
Want no discussion. We ain't trying to make bread or nothing.
Like how many times you been sent out? I know you're scared. You tried to kill yourself in a penthouse. Suicide.
Oh.
Like everybody told me. Like I'm so evil from a young boy, even my mom tried to smoke me. Now even try stepping
Oh, the RA. When do I get RA? I think RA now.
Fight with the devil, the demons hold me. So I just embraced it. Like, fuck
No,
you,
A6. A6.
When I poured that bleach in his eyes, you're making the boy look handsome. See, I shagged man's mum outside of a house in Bench. Then I went next door and fill it. Aye.
Choose, my niggas don't talk they shit.
Oh, it's like a mixture of bars.
Nice man down to the blood turn purple or blue. I'll open your chest and cut like squeeze on my knife, what's rude?
Yo.
All of this dough we spent on smoke, Lord knows I could've invested. How many times have I touched them kids, the whole up block's been molested? How many times have I touched them kids, the whole up block's been molested?
Wait a minute.
What?
Wait a minute.
That got funny for you, though.
Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Listen about molested.
From young it was cold red in 07. I stabbed my dad in the arm but I aimed for his neck. And I've done smashed up my stepdad numerous times. I stabbed my dad in the arm but I aimed for his neck.
No wonder why.
And then boy, they're fucking soft.
No wonder why them guys are wear the mask on them head when them a thing. Them sang it because them clearly argue with themselves. So my boy say him stab him father in him neck. Stab him father in the hand but him aim for him neck. That means I try to commit murder. That's crazy, bro. Like yeah.
They don't want more smoke on
Send it to
blocks.
one
I'll
step,
make
right?
your whole world collapse the same way, nothing it dropped. Okay, like this one's gotta get paid.
Oh.
And if I knew where Vapes was lying, I'll back my dick on his grave.
That's weird, man.
Don't dive
That's
in the
weird,
booth,
man.
that's silly. Man, me top dead like old Chizzy. Man got skins that stuff in the Wizzy and the dirty come long just like man's woolly. The Wizzy and the dirty come long just like man's woolly.
What the f?
Gay!
That bar never makes sense. That bar there, low, bro. Low, fire. No really breathing on that. No man understand what I'm going with the play. It's like,
I was in I said, bro, let's make a quick trip. Things on things in the ride. Even God couldn't stop this whip. No way.
And flash that man, fuck up the place. Pagan bitch, just acid her face.
Man, throw kings on them facts for fun. And don't heart when the sea don't run. How about this, my son? Go suck your dirty black stinking mum. Some fucking people just like
oh shit. White boy I thought was okay, black stinking black mom. Okay, I bet people have a problem with that bar there, you see that. No wonder why I'm come and
Do
face.
they know that the gang does drills? Until man's in the backseat fuming, they'll never know that I ain't got chill. Bro could've put him to sleep with a twin bow ting, no Jack and Jill. Every time we get around there, we're risking freedom. Juice must spill.
Alright guys, that's the end of the reaction video to what the yo, that is kind of funny stuff. I'm not gonna lie. Somebody kind of weird and somebody kind of funny and somebody just really kind of unusual, isn't me? But me I realize why them even wear the mask because some people literally give themselves them literally stab somebody or kill somebody. Yeah, incriminate yourself, bro. I wonder why they wear them. No man understand why they wear the mask. But anyway guys, the end of the reaction video. Enough love. Peace out.